Hello everyone and welcome to Catherine's Kitchen. Today we will be making curry chicken. You will need 3 pounds chicken washed and cleaned with 3 lemons and 1/4 cup of vinegar, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 cup green seasoning, 2 teaspoons red pepper flakes, and 1 tablespoon curry powder. Okay, let's go to the pot. 4 tablespoons oil, 2 teaspoons garlic, 2 teaspoons ginger, 5 pimento peppers, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 3 tablespoons curry powder. Allow it to cook for a little bit. And then you are going to add 1/2 cup of water. And you're going to cook this until it's gotten thick. Then after that, you are going to add your chicken pieces. Allow the chicken to dry down with the curry. Make sure every piece is coated with curry, and you are going to allow it to get really dry before adding any water. Okay, so we are going to allow it to dry out further until there is no liquid in the pot. So we are going to add 1/2 cup of cilantro, 2 teaspoons of complete seasoning, as you can see, most of the liquid is dried out. So what you're seeing right now is just seasoning, and we are now going to add 1 cup of water. We are going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Taste. If you need any more salt, that's the time to add the salt. And then you are going to allow the chicken to cook until the liquid is reduced